Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily record in Snapchat without the other person knowing that you're recording. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. It doesn't really matter. This works both on Android and iPhone. Go ahead and make sure you have the Snapchat application updated for everything to work properly. Then let's quit the store, open Snapchat now. Now let's go ahead and open the conversation that we want to record and make sure it has loaded up in front of us in the screen right here. Let's close Snapchat and even close it from the background apps. Just like that. What we're gonna need to do now is actually turn on the airplane mode, just like that. Once we do that, we can open Snapchat now, head again to that conversation that we want to record. Here it is. As you can see, guys, I am already recording and it doesn't say anything. We can record, we can take screenshots as long as the airplane mode is on. You can save snaps or pictures. But once you're done, you need to uninstall Snapchat completely from your device, then turn off airplane mode and install it again and log back into your account, just like I am doing right here. As you can see, guys, I have logged back in now. And I'm gonna go back to the conversation, and as you can see, guys, hold up, yeah, here it is. It says nothing here. It doesn't show the other person that I have recorded anywhere. That's basically, guys, how can you do it. You can even follow the same steps right here to save, as I said, snaps, save photos from the conversation, take screenshots of the conversation or even of the profiles. It doesn't show the users anything as long as the airplane mode is on. Once you're done, uninstall the Snapchat application and only then you can turn off airplane mode and then install Snapchat again. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much.